Hello there, folks. In today's video, we're going to be seeing if we can get this Lionel number 2032 ERIE FA-1 riding the rails again. This one belongs to a model train club member of Fallsington Library. He gave it to me. He'd see if he could see if I could have a go at fixing it. There's already been some evidence that this thing's already been tinkered with. You can already see one source of the problem. We got a bunch of disconnected wires, one for the motor and another for the E-unit. So first things first, why don't we get all the wiring issues sorted out before we dig deeper into what could be causing this engine to not run. There we go. Wire stripped, now for the solder. Okay. The wire ain't going anywhere. Now for the motor. Right. Ain't going anywhere. Now we got the wiring issues all sorted out. We'll put it on the test track, see how it runs. Oops. Yep, it's run. It's alive. Woohoo! It's alive! It's alive! Woohoo! Yes, it's running! Finally running on its own power. For the first time since God knows how long it last ran. Now all we need to do is do some servicing while we're at it. Careful not to lose the brushes. Motor could use a bit of some cleaning. Yikes. Motor could use a bit of some cleaning. Brushes are all full of oil. It's got some sort of electrocoupler in it or something. And another wire to the electrocoupler broke. We should probably resolder that once we get the trucks back together. Now let's clean the commutator and the motor and the other brushes. Alright, we get some Labelle oil. We'll oil up the motor while we're at it. In. Bearings and the bushings and the C-clip. Got the sleeve clip back in. Now we need to clean out the carbon deposits on the motor side, on the brush. That's right. Now to use my trusty toothpick to get rid of the carbon deposits on the poles. Good. Now to clear out some other debris in the motor or housing. Now to clean the brushes. They're all filled with oil. That's one down, one to go. Now to reinstall the motor housing. Good. Motor housing has been reinstalled. Now on to the trucks. Good. I've also greased up the gears as well. Having them circulate through. Now let's grease up the main gears before we reinstall the motor on the truck. Let's put it on the track and give it a go. Uh-oh, transformer's hot. Should probably wait for it to cool down a bit. In the meantime, we'll service the rear truck as well. And while we are at it, we should also resolder this broken wire for the front electrocoupler. gonna be a bit difficult for such a tight space, but it's worth a try. Now that we got everything all sorted out with the transformer cooled down, let's see if we can get it to run. Yep. Let's test the horn. Oops. The horn also works as well. I put in a fresh C battery in, and lo and behold, it works. Let's put the shell back on and give it a test run. Alright, we got the train on the test circuit. Let's see how she'll run. Yep, she's running well. Yeah. And here comes Mr. Emmett himself, out to observe the train, possibly derailing it. The horn also works as well, which is a bonus. But it is a bit ear-piercing loud, though. So definitely don't have it stored upside down while the battery's inside. Let's see how it will reverse. Yep, she runs good in reverse. And that's all for now, folks. Well, that's going to be it for tonight, folks. I hope you all enjoyed this repair video, and I shall see you next time. This has been the Train Kid, over and out.